Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by confirming two essentials. You can access the email or phone linked to the account, and you've checked for saved backup codes or a trusted device. Now open Instagram, type your username and password, and tap the Trouble Logging In option. Once done, choose the option that matches your situation, send a login link to email, request an SMS, or enter a backup code. Make sure to act quickly. Codes expire and devices may lose trust status. If the first steps don't work, pivot to alternate verification. Enter a saved backup code or open your Authentication app for the 6-digit code. If SMS delivery is unreliable, toggle airplane mode or restart the phone and retry. Network issues often block texts. When available, use the emailed login link. It expires, so click it immediately. If Instagram prompts identity verification, follow the on-screen flow to upload a photo ID. This proves ownership and lets support restore access. After you regain access, complete a security check. Remove old 2FA devices, add a reliable authentication app, and generate fresh backup codes to store offline. Make sure to update your email and phone so future codes arrive properly. If login still fails, use the in-app support flow to submit a formal identity request with a clear photo of your ID and any required account info. Instagram reviews these to restore access. One troubleshooting tip: try a different network and device before.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.